In this guide, we're going over how you can get the Infestation camo here on the AK-27 in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and open up the gunsmith for that AK-27, go up to the customize tab and into the camo section where you're going to want to select zombies right here, because this is where you're going to see all the challenges that you have to complete in order to work your way up to Infestation. The military camos overall are pretty easy and self-explanatory. You are going to have to get 1,000 critical kills with the AK-27, which is essentially just headshot kills here in zombies. It does take a little bit if you play, really any survival map. Right now, there's just that Vandal and Farm map out, but really any survival map is going to help you out when more do release. In fact, you're going to want to do that for the majority of these unless I say otherwise. But get 1,000 critical kills and we can move on to the special camos where you're going to want to get 2 critical kills with a single shot 15 times. This essentially means that one shot has to kill 2 zombies at the exact same time. Once again, pretty self-explanatory. Round up 2 zombies. Kill them both at the same time. They can be weak already from other shots if you want to make sure that it's guaranteed 1 hit. But if you are having any issues, get this done on an earlier round and set this as your loadout weapon. For the Slither camo, you're going to want to go ahead and have napalm burst ammo. And they actually did recently change this. Essentially, all you need to go ahead and do is get that napalm burst to activate. And from here, just go ahead and get 300 eliminations. It is a little bit annoying, but it's not the worst thing in the entire world. It's just essentially 300 kills when that specialty ammo mod is equipped. For Pathfinder, you're going to get 10 kills without taking damage 5 times. This is only 50 kills max, and you just got to not take any damage while doing it. It's super easy to do. You'll knock this one out very quickly. And from here, you can finally move on to Golden Dragon, which is just 10 kills rapidly 15 times with the AK-27. This just means, rounding up a full train of, obviously at least 10 zombies and just kill them all at the same time for a total of 150 kills. From here, we can move on to Bloodstone. Now, you are going to have Golden Dragon on all the assault rifles before doing so, or at least 6 assault rifles before doing so. But essentially, you just have to go ahead and get 20 or more consecutive kills without taking damage 5 times. This is pretty much the exact same thing. Don't take damage, get those consecutive kills, and you'll be chilling. For Doomsteel, you are going to have Bloodstone on all 30 weapons, so make sure you do that first. But from here, you can eliminate 10 elite zombies with the AK-27, and this is actually the only challenge that you're going to want to go ahead and not play a survival map for. In fact, you're going to want to load into Ashes of the Damned for this, get past round 16, and then just run into the fog, and it's going to spawn in one of those Xursas every 2 minutes. So stay in that fog, go ahead and get some kills, and you'll knock this one out pretty quickly. And from there, you'll finally unlock the Infestation camo after you get Doomsteel on all 30 weapons. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.